Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Waze app on your phone. Open it now. Once the map loads, tap the search icon at bottom and then the gear icon to reach settings. You're doing this because home is stored in your account settings, so make sure you're signed in. If you already see your profile icon, confirm the correct account before proceeding. This ensures changes sync across devices. Once you've opened settings, move to the Places menu to edit home. From settings, select Places or Saved Places to view home and work entries. You'll see Home, tap it and choose Edit or Set Location to change the address. Type the street address to get precise routing, or long press the map to drop a pin if the address isn't listed. Make sure the pin snaps to the correct road. This affects ETA accuracy. Once the location looks right, save the change so Waze uses the new home for future routes and voice guidance. After editing, tap Save and then verify by tapping Navigate to Home to confirm the route looks correct. You want to validate both address and the turn-by-turn path because GPS pin placement can cause odd routes. If Waze still shows the old location, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache and re-enter the address. This forces a sync. If problems persist, update the app and check location permissions so Waze can access your device's GPS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.